Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you free universal rank player. Let's claim the 5th UCL World Final milestone in FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game. Still confused how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest, so you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by tap the UCL Road to the Final. And in this main chapter, all you have to do is challenge yourself in weekly promotion match to earn UCL promotion point and also UCL pass credits. So you can get the ticket for free every day, 20 tickets. So after that you can earn UCL promotion point and claim the reward. As you can see, I'm here, the top of the pyramid. More than 100 UCL promotion points, and every week and the final day you can claim this milestone. So it's already 5 weeks since the UCL road to the final began. So the last milestone reward is UCL road to the final pack guarantee reward universal rank player 1 Mascherano to jersey the deck. Let's tap free button to claim this player. So you can use this player to rank up your player. Mascherano used to rank up player that have a 90 until 99 OVR, and the deck also to rank up your player that have OVR 80 and 89. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. Enjoy the game.